Hey, 30-minute marketers, Gary Baker here with you with a quick one today in the low content publishing niche. As you can see here on the screen, what I got here is some great black and white images here that you can easily use to create and publish your own animal coloring books or printable activity packs for adults, kids. Everyone will love it. As you can see here, this is a sales page. Take a quick look at this, and then I'm going to show you the bonus that I'm going to give you, which is some free dot to dots, 20 dot to dots actually. You can see here on the sales page, they're going through all the reasons you should buy it. But what I want to focus in on are the actual images themselves, because these images are great for kids' activity books. And I'm going to show you the dot-to-dot bonuses that I'm going to give you. Of course, the first option here is 20 images for the kids' coloring pack. You can see those are great high-quality PNG images. The second one here is the 49 images. 50 images in total. One of them is a duplicate as mentioned on the sales page. But you can see these are great little cartoon characters, black and white, that can easily be added to an activity book for coloring. So we'll keep scrolling down here, and I'm going to show you the options that you have to purchase, and I'm going to show you the bonus that I have for you, which are 20 free dot-to-dots. So I just want to make it real clear before I show you the 20 dot-to-dots that you'll get as a bonus. To get the 20 dot-to-dots for free, you have to get the $37 package, which includes the kids animal coloring pack, the 20 black and white full-size images, as well as the cartoon coloring animal pack, which is the 49 black and white full-size images. So you get both of those for $37 versus the 17 plus 27 option. So you can see right there that you save $7. So to get the bonus I'm about to show you, you have to get the $37 option, which is both packs. So now let me show you the dot-to-dots that I have for you. So what I've done is I've taken this pack and I've converted them into dot-to-dots. You can see here is the bear. And of course there's the bear image, and there's two images here. There's the bear with no outer outline. Then there's a bear with a very light outer outline. This is good for the younger kids that are going to be tracing, not so much following the numbers. And then here you can see the bird. You can see the chick. You can see the elephant, the giraffe, again, both in the format without the outer tracing line and with a light line that can be used for tracing. Here's the hippo, here's the lion, here's the monkey, here's the penguin, and there's the zebra. I'm also going to provide this in PDF format, 8.5 by 11. As you can see again, here's the lion, there's the lion, and of course you can see that light outer edge for tracing. And here's the bird with the outer line and the outer edge. So you can see I've converted them all into PDF, easily for to use, and there's the monkey again with that light outer outline. Again, this is a coloring pack. It's PLR, so you get full rights to use it however you want. Make sure you just double check that license before you buy it so you completely understand. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment. Of course, the link is in the description and the pinned first comment to pick this up. Get the bonus, get those dot-to-dots when you purchase the complete bundle for $37. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel. More awesome content just like the video here on the end screen. Click that to keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.